Hey guys, in this video, you'll be learning on how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so let's say I have a mixed fraction that looks something like this. 2 and 3/4. In order for me to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, what I would do is I would take 4 multiplied by 2 and add it with 3, and the denominator would stay the same. So the denominator would stay the same. If you look at this, there we go. So what I have here is 4 times 2 would give us 8. 8 plus 3 over 4 would give me 11 over 4. In other words, if you want to write it as a formula in order for us to understand it well, what we have is if I have A, B over C, the formula would be C multiplied by A and added with B over C. So this is the formula that I would have. Let me give you one more example right here. Let's say I have 12 6 over 7. Let's say I have 12 6 over 7. So let us notify our C, A and B first. Now if you take a look at this, this would be our B, this would be our C, and this would be our A right here. Following the formula, what we would have is we would have 7 times 12 plus 6 over 7. Now 7 times 12 would give us 84 plus 6 over 7. Therefore, the answer would give us 90 over 7. In other words, 12 and 6/7, we can write it as 90 over 7. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, have a nice day.